Imagine staring at Saturn through a telescope for the first time. Its golden rings stretching wider than you can comprehend, shining like cosmic jewelry in the darkness of space, and feeling a strange sense of calm. Most people, when they see Saturn, think of it as peaceful, beautiful, elegant, almost untouchable. But the truth is, Saturn is a nightmare masquerading as beauty, one of the most terrifying planets in the solar system. And the closer we look, the more horrifying it becomes. From the moment humans discovered it, Saturn has tricked our brains, hiding deadly storms, crushing pressure, and alien phenomena beneath its serene appearance. Let's begin with something almost funny at first. Saturn is so light, it could float in water. That sounds harmless, even cute, but what does it really mean? Saturn is a gas giant. It has no solid surface. There's no ground to land on, no plateau, no flat area. If you attempted to stand on Saturn, you wouldn't. You would fall, sinking through thousands of kilometers of crushing gas layers, getting closer and closer to a course so violent and strange that scientists still struggle to understand it. And then there's the first terrifying secret. Saturn's winds are some of the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of nearly 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than any hurricane on Earth, faster than a supersonic jet, and powerful enough to shred anything that dares enter its atmosphere. Picture hurricane force winds wrapping around the planet endlessly, a perpetual storm that never stops, creating tornadoes hundreds of times stronger than those we experience on Earth, twisting and turning through golden clouds with no land to slow them down. And as you descend, temperatures start plunging, and the upper clouds, it's already hundreds of degrees below 0 Celsius. Cold enough to freeze gases into strange solid forms, cold enough to make human survival impossible. And the deeper you go, the stranger it gets. Lightning strikes rage across Saturn's skies, up to 10,000 times more powerful than anything on Earth. These aren't the harmless flashes we're used to. They are planet-shattering bolts of energy, illuminating clouds thousands of kilometers across in an instant. And these storms can last for months, sometimes years, wrapping the planet in chaos. But Saturn hides even stranger secrets beneath the storms. Deep inside, hydrogen gas transforms into a liquid under crushing pressure, and eventually into metallic hydrogen, a form of matter so exotic it behaves like a liquid metal capable of conducting electricity. This is what powers Saturn's gigantic magnetic field, which stretches millions of kilometers into space and traps radiation deadly enough to fry spacecraft electronics or kill any human approaching it. Saturn is not just a gas giant. It is a massive cosmic generator, a machine of destruction floating silently through space. And if that isn't enough to shock you, consider Saturn literally rains diamonds. Methane molecules are broken apart in violent storms, forming carbon crystals that become diamonds under immense pressure, falling like glittering ice towards Saturn's core. Imagine storms where diamond crystals form and plummet endlessly into the planet. This is not metaphor. It is a terrifying, real, scientific prediction based on experiments simulating Saturn's atmosphere. But Saturn's danger doesn't end there. Its rings, which look so delicate and elegant from Earth, are actually a swirling storm of deadly debris, made of billions of ice and rock particles, some as large as mountains, orbiting at speeds up to 30,000 kilometers per hour. The rings are a cosmic shooting gallery. Any spacecraft entering them without extreme precision would be instantly destroyed. And here comes another shocking truth. Saturn's rings are temporary. Billions of tons of ring material slowly fall into the planet in a phenomenon called ring rain. In a few 100 million years, these iconic rings may vanish completely. The beauty we see today is fleeting. Behind the elegance lies entropy, destruction, and Now let's talk about Saturn's moons. Over 140 of them, each unique, each terrifying in its own way. Take Enceladus, for example. It appears small and icy, like a frozen snowball. But beneath its surface lies a hidden ocean of liquid water, constantly venting through geysers shooting miles into space. Life, possibly, hidden in the coldest darkness, orbiting a planet that would destroy you instantly if you tried to visit. And Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is even stranger. It has rivers, lakes, and even rain, but not of water. Its methane oceans flow beneath an orange sky, where the temperature plummets to minus 179 degrees Celsius. Standing there would mean freezing instantly. Surrounded by liquid natural gas, yet Titan is covered by a thick atmosphere that makes it eerily Earth-like. It's an alien world that hints at what Earth might have looked like billions of years ago, or even what it might become under extreme conditions. And this is just the tip of Saturn's terror. The planet's gravity is enormous, second only to Jupiter, warping the orbits of nearby moons and shaping the asteroid belt. It acts like a cosmic shield, pulling dangerous comets and asteroids away from the inner solar system. Protecting Earth, yes, but at the same time, it creates deadly tidal forces on its own moons, stretching, squeezing, and heating them. Saturn is a gravitational machine, controlling chaos across millions of kilometers of space, and it does so effortlessly. And then there's the famous hexagon storm at Saturn's North Pole, a perfect six-sided storm, spinning endlessly for decades, possibly centuries, bigger than Earth itself. Scientists still do not fully understand how such a geometric phenomenon can exist naturally in a planet's atmosphere. It feels almost artificial, like Saturn itself is demonstrating rules we don't fully grasp, a reminder of the unknown dangers lurking, even in places we think we understand. As you descend further into the deeper clouds, the crushing pressure and rising temperatures become unbearable. Hydrogen becomes liquid. 10 metallic lightning continues to rage. Storms twist endlessly. Diamond rain falls, and radiation belts trap anything that comes too close. There is no end, no escape. Saturn is both a palace of beauty and a tomb of danger, a reminder that in the universe, appearances can be deadly, and the most elegant worlds can be among the most hostile. Yet, paradoxically, Saturn is crucial to life on Earth. Its gravity has shielded our planet from countless catastrophic collisions with comets and asteroids. Without Saturn, Earth might have been sterilized millions of years ago. In protecting us, Saturn demonstrates a terrifying duality. It is both a guardian and a threat, a cosmic paradox wrapped in golden rings. Its moons, its storms, its rings, its atmosphere, all of it is a warning, showing how power and beauty can exist side by side in ways humans are barely capable of understanding. Saturn teaches a lesson about the fragility of life and the deceptive nature of appearances. It is stunning from afar, deadly up close, and endlessly mysterious. And here's perhaps the most chilling thought. If a planet like Saturn exists in our own solar system, in a neighborhood we call home, what horrors might exist in other star systems across the galaxy? What alien worlds are waiting? More extreme, more violent, more beautiful and terrifying than anything we have imagined. Saturn, the deceptively calm gas giant, is a reminder that the universe does not owe us safety. That beauty can hide unimaginable danger, and that exploration requires courage, understanding, and respect for forces far beyond our control. So next time you gaze at images of Saturn, remember this. The golden rings are not just beautiful, they are deadly. The winds are not just breezes, they are supersonic. The storms are not just clouds, they are planet-wide lightning mails. The moons are not just companions, they are alien worlds of fire, ice, and methane oceans. And the core, hidden beneath thousands of kilometers of clouds, is a furnace of metallic hydrogen and diamond rain, generating a magnetic field so massive it dominates millions of kilometers of space. Saturn is not a peaceful planet. It is a nightmare disguised as beauty. And understanding it changes the way we see the entire solar system. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe to AEDID, and leave a comment. Which planet should we explore next? And do you think humanity will ever safely venture into places like Saturn? Or are some cosmic mysteries too terrifying to confront? Saturn is out there, majestic, deadly, and waiting. And the more we study it, the more we realize that the universe is far stranger, far more dangerous, and far more beautiful than we have ever imagined.